Being in a healthcare profession and being a registered nurse, like you've mentioned a while ago, and now you are the COO of Marinova Beauty and Wellness Corporation, how are these products different from all the products available in the market?
Okay, yeah. So let me just tell that there are a lot of skincare products in the market, from the local brands, international brands. But the question is, are they really effective? Are they safe? Of course, I won't say that they are not effective. But what is exceptional with Marinova is, Marinova uses probiotic technology. Yeah? So with the probiotic technology, of course, it boosts your immune system. And there are a lot of reasons why people are having like skin breakouts, like acne, psoriasis, eczema. But it can be because of this poor skin immunity. Second is we use the nanotechnology. From the big word nano, it means very small. So we made sure that every particle of our skincare is perfect enough to penetrate the deeper layer of the skin. And that's how we are going to deliver and distribute the efficacy of our skincare products. And the third one is actually the liposome technology. If you have heard about the liposome technology,
I haven't.
To simplify this liposome technology, it actually encapsulates the active ingredients like the retinol, niacinamide, the peptide, the sodium hyaluronic acid. So under the microscope view, you will see a small particle within the nano size. And it will go deep within the layer of the skin. And of course, when the changes of the temperature, it will break inside, and that's how it's going to be distributed to our face. So question is, does it treat the melasma? Of course, because it reaches the deeper layer of the skin. So that's very good with Marinova.
Wow.